Hello guys, in this video I will show you how the personal insurance function works in the Revolut app. So first of all you have to go to the Revolut menu, then scroll down, and here the last section is the insurance. As you can see, they made a separate section for this, so probably there are going to be more options, maybe car insurance or different stuff. But for now we have personal insurance, and let's see what is it all about. So here we have one single option: buy insurance, device insurance. Yeah, so let's see what is it all about. 1 in 4 people smash their phone within a year. Protect your phone against damage that your warranty doesn't cover. Okay, sounds good. Save 65% versus typically phone repair costs. Repairing Revolut to the cost of repair with Samsung for Galaxy S7. Okay. Great coverage and simple online claims process. Worldwide coverage for your phone for all common accidents, including screen and water damage. Nice. Get started. Yeah, and here you will have to enter your device details, and there are a few steps, and then you are all set. That's it, how the Revolut insurance plan works for now. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.